How many of you know that there is a free resource which is provided by Spring and the creators of the Spring, which you can leverage for learning Spring and Spring Boot related frameworks? In this video, we are going to look at Spring Academy, using which you can learn from the experts who created Spring. Let's get started. On April 5th, Spring announced that the Spring Academy Pro subscription model has been discontinued, and all the videos, the courses, guides, learning paths which are available as a part of the Pro subscription is now available for free if you are using a work or an education email address. So essentially, Spring Academy is now free for all. I know we all like going through YouTube videos about Spring and Spring Boot, but let's look at what Spring Academy provides, which you can leverage by learning from the experts themselves. So Spring Academy provides guides. These guides are basically blogs or maybe tutorials or primers, which you can use to create proof of concepts from those. For example, in the guides, I could see different type of guides present here. So if I want to get started with Spring Boot, Spring Web Client, RabbitMQ, upgrading my JDK version from 8 to 17, we have reference documents for these. So guides are essentially a primer or a tutorial which you can follow step by step if you are someone who likes to follow documentation like me. The other thing is courses. A lot of folks likes courses. If you want a bundled combo of instructions which you need and a set of videos which you can follow, then courses is for you. So for example, this is a course on building REST API with Spring Boot. So there are 20 different lessons. This includes both hands-on and also theoretical based sessions. For example, if I click on this course, you can see that there are 9 courses. If I expand this, there are some which are document based, some which are hands-on based. So if you see here, it shows up whether these are document based or maybe hands-on. So there is a set which explains the concept, and then there is a set which has a hands-on implementation to it. So this is a very good thing if you like courses and if you are a kind of person who likes Udemy style or plural site kind of learnings with an end-to-end stepwise approach, then courses is for you. So there is also a learning path. So in the learning path, they have 4 different courses. If you see here, there are this is the Spring Certified Professional. If you want to complete these Spring Certified Professional certification, you will go through these courses, and all these are free again, right? You don't have to buy or you don't have to go to YouTube as well, because these are created by the folks who created Spring Boot in the back. Do leverage them. To understand who are these people who creating these courses, so these are the instructors. You can see Josh Long is there. There are a lot of familiar faces who created these frameworks. There are a lot of developer advocates like Dan, Josh, etc. And there are people who created this community and part of this community still and contribute to this community. So do check out Spring Academy and leverage these courses and guides which can help you learning Spring and Spring Boot related libraries. I hope you found this particular video interesting. If you want me to make any specific video on Spring, do let me know in the comment section below. As always, if you like the video, go ahead and like it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. Meet you again in the next video. Thank you very much.